Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Maimunah and you can call me Mai. I study at the IDEC Hiroshima University for my master and also for my PhD. I graduated from my PhD in 2015. I just study in IDEC Hiroshima University since I know that IDEC is the international program at Hiroshima University. I learned from the Kaneko laboratory, especially for the environmental economic as well as for the transportation economic, and this one is much related with my current job at the Ministry of Transportation in Indonesia. My master thesis, I make the research about the infrastructure, especially for the road infrastructure in Indonesia, and then I compare with in Japan since during the developing period. So this one, how to make the infrastructure very helpful for the economic growth both in Indonesia and also in Japan. And for my PhD dissertation, this one is about the MRT, about the behaviors for using the MRT, and also what is beneficial for the environmental as well as for the economic analysis with the MRT development in Jakarta, Indonesia. I graduated from the IDEC Hiroshima University. That's very beneficial for me because from the IDEC University I learned a lot, not only based on the knowledge that I got from the Hiroshima University, but also I got the beneficial from my networking. Since IDEC is the international program, and this one I have a lot of friends from all over the world. Not only from the ASEAN country, but from many countries, and this one is very benefited for me to have my current position, because current position is I did a lot for my networking, not only locally in Indonesia, but for the internationally. Okay, first time when I graduated from my master, before get my master, I just staff in the Ministry of Transportation, and then after graduated from my master, I got promotion to be the head of the subdivision of the planning in the research and development unit of the Ministry of Transportation. Then after graduated from my PhD, actually I also got the promotion to be the head of the division for 3 years. After that, I got promotion again to be the director of the Polytechnic of the Road Transportation Safety under the Ministry of Transportation. And currently, I also get another promotion again to be the head of the Center for the Transportation Infrastructure Financing. So I think study with in the Hiroshima University helped me a lot to get knowledge. It's very helpful for my career in the Ministry of Transportation. For me, actually, there are a lot of good memory when I study in Japan, when I live in Japan for almost 5 years there. Japan become my second hometown, especially for science, because at that time I bring my family to study together with me in Saijo, and then my daughter especially study in the Misujo Sogako, and then she graduated from the Misujo Sogako. She can speak, read, and write Japanese language fluently. She seems like to be like a Japanese one, and also next year she also want to continue to the Hiroshima University to be student. All my family become like Japanese for 5 years, and then they learn a lot about the Japanese manner, Japanese culture, and everything about the Japan. Until now, I'm still keeping in touch with the Hiroshima University since I become the chairman of the Hiroshima University Alumni Association for Indonesia. So this one still make me to keep in touch not only with my professor Kaneko Sensei, but also with all the membership of the Hiroshima University, especially for the international cooperation.
And based on this one, I also keep in touch with the student there and also with all the alumni of the Hiroshima University in Indonesia, but also not only Indonesia, with from the alumni from other countries also still keeping in touch. I think this one is very good for me, for everyone, I think. You for the future Hiroshima University student, the message from me, please not only focus on your study in the campus, but also you have to study a lot about the culture of the Japan, and also make your networking not only with the Japanese, but also with all friends from all over the world, since that one will very beneficial for you later on for your career. The student come to IDEC is a very international student, many from, especially for the ASEAN country, not only ASEAN but also from the South Asia. The IDEC also have the student from the America, from the Europe, and so on. I think this one is very important for international student to come to IDEC. The IDEC is the graduate school in the Hiroshima University using the English language for all the subject, all the research, and so on. I think this one need to be established again if this is possible for Hiroshima University. I think many students from all over the world need to return back again to IDEC and also want to study, since this one is very international cooperation among of the countries all over the world.